study about synthesis of de novo synthesis of pyrimidine. De novo synthesis of pyrimidine has 8 steps. First, we'll study the structure of pyrimidine. Pyrimidine has one ring, whereas purine has two rings. In the pyrimidine, numbering is done in the clockwise direction. In purine, it is anti-clockwise direction. It has nitrogen group at 1 and 3 position and remaining carbon, and C2 and N3 are derived from carbamyl phosphate and rest all are derived from aspartic acid. First step is the synthesis of carbamylophosphate. Bicarbonate reacts with glutamine in the presence of carbamylosynthetase 2 and 2 ATPs are consumed, leads to the formation of carbamylophosphate. This carbamylophosphate in the presence of enzyme aspartyl transcarbamylase. This step is rate limiting step. This aspartyl transcarbamyl enzyme is allosteric enzyme. It is an allosteric regulator. All the C2 and N3 are derived from carbamyl phosphate. Rest all are derived from aspartic acid. So incorporation of aspartate leads to the carbamyloaspartate. This is step 2, and step 3 is formation of pyrimidine ring, means dihydrouric acid in the presence of dihydrouretase, and H2O is removed, and then oxidase. The hydrogen atoms are removed from dihydrouric acid, leads to the formation of uric acid in the presence of dihydrouretase dehydrogenase. Removal of hydrogen, NAD will convert into NADH and leads to the formation of uric acid. And in the presence of urate phosphoribosyltransferase, urate phosphoribosyltransferase leads to the formation of uretidine monophosphate from uric acid, and decarboxylase, removal of CO2, leads to the uridine monophosphate. In the presence of uridine monophosphate kinase, with consumption of ATP, leads to the diphosphate. Again with consumption of another ATP, it leads to the triphosphate. Uridine monophosphate kinase, uridine diphosphate kinase leads to the uridine triphosphate, and again one more consumption of ATP, it leads to the cytidine triphosphate. In the presence of cytidine triphosphate synthetase, it leads to the formation of cytidine triphosphate. And these are 8 steps, where the first step, bicarbonate reacts with glutamine in the presence of carbamylophosphate synthetase, leads to the carbamyl phosphate and aspartyl transcarbamylase, which is an allosteric enzyme. It is an allosteric regulator, and it is a rate limiting step. Incorporation of aspartate leads to the carbamyl aspartate in the presence of dehydrouretase, leads to the dihydrouric acid and removal of H2O, and dihydrouretase dehydrogenase, removal of H. It leads to the conversion of NAD to NADH, forms uric acid. Uric acid will convert into uridine monophosphate in the presence of urate phosphoribosyl transferase, transfer of phosphorus group, leads to the uridine monophosphate, and decarboxylase, removal of CO2, leads to the formation of uridine monophosphate in the presence of uridine monophosphate kinase, leads to the uridine diphosphate with the consumption of 1 ATP, again with the consumption of another ATP in the presence of kinase, leads to the triphosphate, and synthetase, CTP synthetase, that is cytidine triphosphate synthetase, with the consumption of ATP, leads to the formation of cytidine triphosphate. This is formation of pyrimidine nucleotide. Uridine triphosphate will convert into cytidine triphosphate with the consumption of ATP and the nitrogen group from glutamine. Incorporation of nitrogen from glutamine will convert into glutamate in the presence of CTP synthetase. It leads to the formation of cytidine triphosphate.